Hello guys, welcome back to another Make Money Online episode. I know I've been missing in action for a while and I would like to extend my apologies for that, but I'm back with more goodness. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. If you are searching for a legit way to make money online from the comfort of your home, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just want a side hustle, then this video is for you. Today we'll be diving into one of the top platforms for remote usability testing jobs. If you have no experience, it's really not a big deal. Let's get into how you can start earning real cash by testing websites and apps. So, what websites are we talking about today? It's Test.io. Test.io is a crowdsourcing platform that connects freelance testers like you and me with companies looking to improve their digital products. That means you'll get early access to apps, websites, and software before they are released to the public, and provide feedback to help businesses create a better user experience. This platform is perfect for people looking for entry-level remote jobs. No formal experience is required, just a good internet connection, a phone or computer, and a keen eye for bugs or usability issues. How does Test.io work? Here's how it works step by step. Step 1. You need to sign up on the platform. Head over to the Test.io website and register as a tester. I'll leave a link to the website in the description. Step 2. After signing up, you'll have to undergo an onboarding process. This involves learning how to navigate the platform and how to report bugs properly. This stage might seem hectic since you have to study a couple of courses and engage in real-life testing scenarios, but it's not much of a big deal. You'll eventually pull through. It took me a couple of days to complete this stage, but it was worth it. You get to learn a lot about usability testing. Step 3. Project invites. Once you pass the onboarding stage, you'll start getting test invites based on your device and tester profile. Step 4. Start testing. You need to follow test instructions, look for bugs, and test like a real user. Step 5. Report bugs. After encountering and pointing out bugs, you need to submit detailed bug reports with screenshots of videos. Step 6. Get paid. Once your bug reports are approved, you get paid. You do a mix of guided and exploratory testing. Some tests ask you to follow steps, others would want you to just explore the app like a real user. So, what kind of work does Test.io offer? As a tester, here are the types of work you can expect: functional testing, usability testing, exploratory testing, regression testing, localization testing, payment testing, security testing, and many others. It's varied, fun, and you get to work with real tech. Whether you're into apps, software, or e-commerce sites, there's something for everyone. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the reason why you are here. How much can you earn on Test.io? Bugs are graded according to severity. There are low, high, and critical severity bugs, and each type of bug pays differently. Low severity bugs pay anywhere from $2 to $10. High severity bugs pay from $7 to $25, and critical bugs pay from $12 to $50. Also, the website states that you can earn as much as $50 per bug, and as I said earlier, it all depends on the severity of the bug. In case you're unable to report any bugs in the test cycle, there's something called reproduction, where you can go through the steps of bugs that have already been reported by other testers to see if you can reproduce those bugs or not. Reproductions pay from 25 cents to 60 cents, and you can reproduce as many bugs as you want or as possible. There's also usability feedback, which also pays depending on the project. The more valuable your bug reports, the more you earn. Some experienced testers even earn hundreds to thousands of dollars a month. There's a Tester Academy where you can find various courses on how to work on the Test.io platform. Everything you need to learn about the platform can be found here in the Tester Academy. How do you get paid on Test.io? Test.io pays through PayPal and bank transfer. Payments are made monthly on the 11th, and I usually get my payment by the 13th. Just make sure you hit the $25 minimum payout threshold. But heads up, they do charge a $7 processing fee each month, but honestly, when you start earning more, you won't even notice it. Test.io is available worldwide. If you are at least 18 years old and have a device connected to the internet, you can start testing. It doesn't matter where you live, Test.io is a great option for college students and really anyone looking for a flexible remote job. Test.io has a mobile app and it's called Test Now. It lets you run tests, report back, and upload screenshots straight from your phone. It's super convenient for those of you always on the go. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Now for the big question, is Test.io legit? Yes, it is. It's trusted by major companies and used by testers all around the world. I personally use it and there are tons of reviews out there proving it's the real deal. You can take a look at my payment history. During my first month of testing on the platform, I was able to make $94 and that was just the first month. And I was paid. I occasionally tested the platform in the subsequent months and I was still paid. The amounts are low because I wasn't really active on the platforms and I made these from basically reproductions in 1 or 2 bags because I was working on other projects during that time. But there are testers earning thousands and above on the Test.io platform every month and you could be one of them too. I get test invites every day except on Sundays, but recently I've been getting invites on Sundays to test cycles, so I'm guessing there have been changes on the platform and test invites are sent out every day of the week. I only use a Windows laptop and an iPhone and I get a decent number of test invites every week, so the device you use shouldn't be a problem. As long as you have a laptop, a phone, you are good to go. You can make a decent income from testing on the Test.io platform. To wrap it up, Test.io is a solid choice if you want to start making money online by testing websites, apps, and software. It's beginner friendly, flexible, and you can grow your skills while earning. So if you are serious about finding legit remote jobs or online side hustles, give Test.io a shot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more legit ways to earn money from home. And also don't forget to share it to your friends so that you can all make money online. Also, if you have tried Test.io or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll try my best to reply all of them. Thanks for watching.